This is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the Wi-Fi is connected, but there's still no internet on your Samsung phone. So the first thing you want to do is just check your date and time. It sounds kind of weird, but this has been causing a bunch of issues on Samsung. So let's go on down to where it says General Management right here, and just choose this and go on down to where it says Date and Time. Select this. Disable this option for automatic date and time, and then re-enable it. And if you have this enabled, it should be working now for most people. Sounds strange, but another thing we can do is go on over to Reset under General Management. And the best thing to do is probably just to reset mobile network settings. Try that first, and then reset all the settings on your Samsung phone. So it could be some weird setting that's just causing this issue. And you can see this is going to reset the security settings, language settings account. So you might have to enter in your account information again. And if you got like a security pin or something like that, you might have to do that again too. But the last resort is factory reset right here, which is going to wipe all your data. But you can come in here too and try just resetting your Wi-Fi. This is probably a good second option here. Just reset all your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. But you can do that over there. Otherwise, we can just go back up to connections, look at this. We can go to Wi-Fi, go to your currently connected internet, and just forget it, and then just simply re-add it. A lot of times that fixes a bunch of issues. Let's go on over to where it says mobile hotspot and tethering. Make sure this is turned off. Okay, more connection settings. Make sure you don't have a VPN turned on as well. So just look at those different options, or just reset your settings if it's still not working, and just reconnect. But if it is your Wi-Fi internet that's causing the problem, disconnect it for about 1 to 2 minutes from the wall outlet, and then plug it back in. That usually does the trick. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.